Good day and welcome to the news for today. I'm Willing Abba, a presenter for this very channel. Heading to the news, which says Nnamdi Kanu's 5 billion lawsuit against Buhari government finally given hearing date. Alo Ejimako, a special counsel for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has said the 5 billion lawsuit filed against the Nigerian government asking freedom for his client on health grounds in Abia State has been assigned to a chief judge. He also stated that case is slated for 2nd November, adding that his desire was to wrap up the matter within 1 month. Ejimako disclosed this to Sahara Reporters on Wednesday. Sahara Reporters has reported on October 7 that Ejimako was disappointed that the case was not assigned to court. As of today, the case is yet to be assigned and was informed by the registry that all parties will be notified of the next hearing date once the case is assigned to a court. A fundamental rights proceeding is sui generis. In other words, it is to be treated as special as expected to be concluded quickly, especially in situations where the applicant is incarcerated. Today's outcome is a disappointment. It is my hope that going forward there would be any further delay in hearing the case, he had said early this morning. However, briefing Sahara Reporters on the matter on Wednesday, Ejimako said the matter has been assigned to Chief Judge sitting in High Court 1 and it is set down for hearing on 2nd November 2021. The council further said on this date, the Nigerian government and its Attorney General will be expected to move their extant application for extension of time to defend the suit. After joining issues, I will insist on a ruling on the spot so that the case can proceed quickly to the next level, which will be a definitive hearing on the substantive matter. My intention is to have the case concluded within the next 1 month. It qualifies for accelerated hearing because of Nnamdi Kanu's current incarceration. Therefore, I will be strongly disinclined to any further delays coming from the Nigerian government and the other respondents. The Muhammadu Buhari-led government, through the Attorney General of Federation, Abubakar Malami, had pleaded with the Abia State High Court to give it and other seized respondents an extension of time to defend the lawsuit filed by Ejimako on behalf of Kanu. Sahara Reporters has reported that the IPOB leader, through his lawyer, had in August 2021 approached the Abia High Court to enforce his fundamental rights stemming from the military invasion of his Umuahia home in September 2017 and his subsequent extraordinary retention from Kenya in June 2021. Alright, my people, that is it for the news we just received that Nnamdi Kanu's 5 billion lawsuit against Buhari government finally given hearing date. Well, I think the federal government have to pay him the money filed against them. The 5 billion naira they are to pay him because they have caused many damage to his life and his family. They have caused many problems, dragging him from wherever he is to Nigeria and detaining him for no just cause. And they have not even given a real detail about what he has done. What he's doing is not against the law. All what he's doing is just fighting for the rights of his people. It's not against the law, and the court have not even found him guilty. I don't know why they still kept him there, torturing him. They don't even care about his health condition. They don't care about his family. They don't even allow people to visit him. His family can't even visit him. His lawyer can't even visit him. Lawyers that came to the court the other day, they are not even allowed to enter the courtroom. Why? He's not yet criminal and they are treating him as one. Well, I think this 5 billion naira is to be paid to him. They have done this thing, Sunday Igboho, by invading his house, burning cars, killing people, arresting some people. He filed 500 million and they paid it. Heading to the other news, which is Nigerians attack Fani Kayode for criticizing Sheikh Gumi. Fani Kayode, a former minister of aviation, has come under heavy fire from Nigerians after criticizing Sheikh Ahmed Gumi. Fani Kayode, who recently defected to All Progressive Congress, labeled Gumi a venomous snake and a wolf in sheep's clothing. He made the statement after Gumi's kick against the move to declare bandits as terrorists. Sheikh Ahmed Gumi, the Rasputin of Arewa, whose father once said a Christian must not rule Nigeria, and who himself said the federal government must not declare the killer bandit as terrorists, are worse than Abubakar Shekau and Al-Banawi. He is a venomous snake and a wolf in sheep's clothing, Fani Kayode wrote on Facebook. However, many Nigerians who commented on Fani Kayode's post stated that it was hypocritical to praise President Buhari and condemned Gumi. Muhammadu Buhari, who has repeatedly and publicly demonstrated a soft spot for these terrorist bandits for reasons of ethnic affinity, and still turn around to condemn Sheikh Gumi, who is obviously acting with the blessing of the same Buhari. Dear FFK, please miss us with this feeble attempt to louder your badly soiled image. We are now wiser. It's like APC ID card and certificate they gave you after registration is Oluwole. Tell us what we don't know. You can't be criticizing APC agents and be a member of APC. Obasi Ado, nobody should mind Fani Kayode, the Judas of the Southwest. We know him well enough not to trust him. It is like he is said to join hands with Gumi to protect the bandits. Fani Kayode, we do not trust you at all. Some Tochukwu Henry, food don't finish for house. You want come hustle for another food. Fani Kayode, Zunkwanu Ike, you are building bridges with terrorists in government while he is building bridges with the terrorists in forest. Two of Unana spokespersons serving the same cause. Alright my people, that is it for the news. We just received that Nigerians attack Fani Kayode for criticizing Sheikh Gumi. Alright my people, that is it for the news we just received. Well, I think these people are birds of the same feather. They are all wolves in sheep's clothing. Like this Fani Kayode he has said too much bad things that people don't even take him serious anymore. Anything he says is for his own interest. Who knows whether he's about to join hands with the Gumi to keep on saving the terrorists, the bandits, and telling the government not to label them as terrorists. Gumi, whose father is also saying that no Christian must rule Nigeria. Just imagine the bloodline, and his son is now saying that they should not label bandits as terrorists. Only God knows the kind of mindset they are having. Well, I think these two, this Fani Kayode and Ahmed Gumi, are all birds of the same feather. They are all working for Buhari's government. Pray that one day all their evil deeds will be exposed, because we all know what they are doing, but they think we are still dumbhead. They still think we don't know what we are doing in this country. We have been through a lot that all these that cheap talks will not shake us. Well, we don't know your thoughts and opinion. We would love you to drop it in the comment section below. In case you haven't subscribed yet, we would love you to do so. Please click on the subscribe button below so that whenever we drop our content, you will be the first person to get notified. Thanks for staying tuned to this very last moment. God bless you.